Please note that once items are received and committed to stock, the system automatically generates a supplier bill and an invoice for supplier payment. This streamlines the procurement process by reducing manual entry, minimizing errors, and ensuring timely supplier payments, among other benefits. To pay a supplier bill, follow these steps. Navigate to the Procurement module and select Supplier Bills Account Payable Invoices. You will be redirected to the Supplier Bill Details window. In the View section, you can access all bills, pending bills, partially approved bills, approved and unsettled bills, and finally settled bills. Choose the appropriate selection based on your needs. In the All Invoices drop-down, you can filter invoices per supplier. This enables easier tracking and management of supplier transactions, helps ensure accurate payments, and simplifies financial reporting. It also allows for quick identification of discrepancies and facilitates better supplier relationship management. If necessary, you can adjust the dates to view supplier bills within a specific time frame and then click the View button. Since we want to pay a supplier bill, select the supplier bill from the list of pending items and proceed to create a payment voucher. The payment voucher provides an official record of payment, ensuring accuracy and transparency in financial transactions while supporting proper reconciliation and compliance. Once the voucher is created, click on the View Payment Vouchers button to see a list of all vouchers in the next window. Select the appropriate payment voucher and approve the items by clicking the tick sign at the end of the voucher's item row. Confirm the approval by clicking the Approve Voucher button. This ensures that the payment details are accurate and authorized before proceeding with the payment process. Return to Supplier Bills to process the payment. You can click on Supplier Bills Account Payable Invoices to access the Supplier Bill panel, or navigate to the Procurement button at the top left corner of your screen and select Supplier Bills from the menu list. You will be redirected to the Supplier Bill panel. Please note that once the supplier bill has been approved, it will be color-coded in blue. Once it's settled, it will be color-coded in green. Here, select the supplier bill again and choose the payment mode. The first selection level identifies the payment type, and the second level, which becomes available based on the selected payment mode, specifies the exact payment service. For example, if you select Bank as the first level, you will then need to specify the exact bank as configured under the bank category for the second level. This will narrow down to the third level, where you specify the exact service type. Then click Pay Bill. A window will appear to finalize the payment details. Enter the receipt number. You may also choose to enter the payment reference number, the check number, and adjust the dates as needed depending on your requirements. Once confirmed, click the Save button to complete the payment, ensuring that the supplier bill is processed efficiently and accurately.